am Rachel. I am 15 years old, one of the Rainbow House kid. Before the Rainbow House came, I was 12 years old, and there was a typhoon named Sendong, strong typhoon named Sendong, and said I became a Rainbow House kid because there was a very strong typhoon named Sendong came in Philippines, particularly in Mindanao, and sad to say that I am one of those family who had left nothing and was totally washed out. And then I thought that time was the end of my life, but praise God, Rainbow House came, and Rainbow House helped me to dream again. Rainbow House give hope to my life, and Rainbow House changed me. The Rainbow House changed me not just physically, how do I look like right now, but most importantly, my character. The RH, with the help of God, helped me to become much better person, to form my attitude, my character, and now I'm starting to dream again, and I want to be a teacher in the future, and I really need your prayer and support financially. And you know what? If you do that, you're not just helping me to become a educated person or to become a professional person, but you're helping me to become a better person, and encouraging me that one day I will also be a channel of help for others who wanted to go to school and to pursue their dreams. And I need your full support in achieving and pursuing my dreams. I need you to be with me, and we all know that if you do that, God will really bless you abundantly.